Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, you know you're a part of what? The Grateful Gang, 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 Grateful Gang, 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 Grateful Gang, 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 Grateful Gang, 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 Gang. And if you're not a part of the Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's as easy as pressing that subscribe button. Press the subscribe button, baby. It's free 99, and it's free. It's for me. Over here, we do digital budgeting. We got our messy button, getting things done. Okay. We do digital budgeting using Google Sheets. We do sinking funds. We do credit card reconciliation, which we're doing today. And we do all the things, budgeting. I'm a single budgeter on a moderate income trying to get to the high. Let's come on. Let's come on. And we're just over here grateful for everything and the paycheck and the money that God provides us with. So let's get in on it today. Today, we'll be reconciling our credit card. It is a June goal of mine to make sure I do this on a weekly basis. I'm actually a day early because it's really Thursday. I don't know when you're going to see it, probably not Thursday, but that's when I'm doing it, okay? I made myself a new spreadsheet. Ooh, look at me. And there's a credit card reconciliation, swiper, no swiping. And this is going to start on this paycheck, which was 616. It works out for me that way because this is a 3 paycheck week. So I'm going to use this for week 1 and 2 for this paycheck and week 1 and 2 for the next paycheck. Okay, let's get started. Over on the other screen, you will see my quick. I don't need all that. Really? What are we doing? I don't want to do that. I don't want a virtual card. Lord, please hold while I get this together. I apologize. I don't know. I pressed the button. All right. So we are here and we usually go down until I see my last payment. Here's my last payment at $621.68. And I can tell that the next thing I should be looking for is at this Amazon purchase. So what I check for is, I don't know why I did this like this. I'm gonna need more room. So this gas, groceries, self-care, and allowance. I usually have 220. That's what I normally have. It says I have 250 this day because I don't know why. It thinks I have 250. Maybe because I gave myself a little extra money. I might have given myself a little extra money. Actually, this is not supposed to start yet. This record. Let me come back and apologize. This reconciliation sheet is supposed to start when I have a fresh new 120.220 to work with. This is not it. I apologize. But we're going to go back to our regular reconciliation sheet. And we're going to finish out this reconciliation sheet. As you can see, we're supposed to start with Amazon 3470. And that is where we're at. We're going to finish this out until we get to our next batch. Our next batch of reconciliation will be starting with our 220 plus a little addition. And that's why it says that. Okay, let's really go. So we're just going to keep everything kind of lumped together. So let's clear everything out of here. I was not prepared because I forgot that's not the one we were using. Apologize, you guys. I apologize. Okay, so we don't have that much money in our cash envelope. We actually only have $40. Let's go talk about it. Let's go talk about it, y'all. Let's go talk about it. So in our cash envelope, we had only $40.27 left. Okay, that's what we had from last time. We got paid, and I put in $276.28. That's my 220 plus 56.28. There is an additional $40 that I'm allocating to this money, and the rest will be left with the other money. So we're starting this reconciliation with $80.27 in there. If I remember correctly, that was my plan. Hope that was understandable. So now let's start credit card reconciliation. So here we started with the Amazon. No, ma'am. We're not going all the way down there. Here we started with the Amazon for $34.70 as our. Y'all can't even see me. Y'all gonna tell me that I was off the screen? Disrespect. It's a disrespect for me. $34.70. So $34.70, as you can see from my little notes here, says it was for the shears and the TV hanger thing. So that was my humble home situation. Shears and TV hanging thing. So that's coming out of my humble home. Put it right there. And that's 30. Let me put it equal because there might be more. $34.70. That was from Amazon. Then we had Quick Trip, which $26.47. That was actually gas. So that's going to come out of our cash envelope money. So that's 26.43 for gas. Then we have Goodwill, which was more home stuff. I've been trying to redo my guest bedroom, and so I've been looking. I got a little more time because unfortunately my best friend can't make it in July anymore. So I can take a little more time and look for lamps or whatever, but I'm still sad about it. But okay, that's 27. Oh, we almost done. Come on, y'all. We don't got nothing pending. We only have these transactions. Let's take a moment to be grateful for this 147.85. Okay, because y'all seen the kind of payments we were making before. Okay, Hunty, you see these? You know, you can think that 541. 621. Do you see it? 147.85. If you're not new here, you know this is amazing. If you're new here, I'm telling you, this is amazing. Okay, so let's keep going. 1619 is Ross. You think, oh girl, you just in there lollygagging. I was not. This is actually for the humble home as well. That was a set of 2 pillows for Serta for the guest room. Aldi is the groceries, you guys. Let me tell y'all how humbling of an experience humbling, humbling of an experience it was to be in Aldi, knowing I had $12 to $13 to spend on groceries. I mean, I was out there with the calculator. I was like, no, I gotta, y'all, I'm making my own bread. Legit, the bread is on rise right now. It is sitting on rise right now because I can afford no bread, sis. Okay. Let's just even, I mean, humbling. Humbling. So that comes out of cash envelopes because if you're new here, cash envelopes is gas, groceries, self care, and eating out. So that's also going to come out of groceries, which is 1205. All right. So then we went here, which was not a planned expense, but I did like a kind of solo trip myself. We had a food truck festival in my area, and I went to support some black owned business, our Non's Barbecue black owned business. It was delicious. And it's a funnel. It sounds just like it was a funnel cake, baby. That funnel cake was a 10 out of 10. These all include tips that were given, and I think they charge 5% fees for using a card. Tip to go to food festival, child truck festival, food truck. Bring your cash. Note to self. Note to self. But both of those are going to go into eating out. They are over my eating out budget, which is usually like $20, but it is what it is. That's why I transferred that extra money. So we actually have $10.40, which is just left over. Thank God we're still in budget. That'll just stay with the cash envelope money that's in there now because we need groceries. So out of cash envelope, we're moving 69.87. Out of humble home, 77.98 for a total of 147.85. Perfect. The total is 147.85. So now I'm going to go ahead and move the money into our major keys. Actually, you know what? I don't got to do that. Well, yeah, because I don't want to do too much moving of money. Now that I'm doing this more often, don't do that. Now that I'm doing this more often, I don't want to do too many transfers. So I'm just going to make a payment from here because you can make up to 3 payments, I think, at one time. So I'm going to make a payment of $69.87. Coming from out of my cash envelope money account. I gotta roll all the way over there. Choose this account. So many accounts, y'all. Jackson and June today. Submit. Make a payment. Thank you for your payment. That was a success, honey. That was success. Confirmation number and all. Then we're going to make another payment. Oh, did y'all see that money come up? Oh, I missed it. I went too quick. $77.98. We're going to make a payment from our Humble Home account. Gotta be closer to the top. There it is at the top. My Humble Home account. Scroll to the bottom. Choose this account. $77.98. My humble account for today. Boom, like that, like so. Thank you for your payment. Confirmation. We have successfully made that payment as well. So 2 payments are scheduled for these exact amounts, giving us a total of this. So that should clear probably Friday or Saturday, God willing, and we'll be at a zero-based budget, and we'll start again next week for all of our gas, groceries, and things like that. We're now up to $77 in cash rewards. Okay, I'm trying to get to 100. I'm excited for that. And that was it, y'all. That was like, I think, the quickest credit reconciliation we've done in a while. Definitely doing them on a weekly basis. It's a little more out of my time, but it definitely goes faster because and I've been really trying not to have too many transactions. We're trying. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you watched it, leave me a comment. I want to talk. How you doing? Use a credit card? You don't use a credit card? You get points? You don't get points? How do you do your thing? I know I'm digital, but a lot of you write things out. What works for you? And are you in budget? All right, guys. And don't forget, if you still watch the video, give me a little emoji if you don't want to leave a whole comment. I would appreciate that. It helps the algorithm. I see y'all. I want to stop right now to acknowledge that we're like 930. Y'all see how close we are to 1,000? It's like once I took my mind off of it, it just came running in. I'm like, amen. Thank you, God. God is so good. All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys, and supporting. And I appreciate you. I really am grateful for y'all. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, all things are working out for the good of those who believe in God. And it's not just faith and fear, faith over fear this year, but it's what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, not ever, but ever, ever. I did a remix on that one, which I like. I like my song better. Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, a ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, a ever, forever, ever, forever, ever. Bye. Jazz hands.